the remote. And the remote has several options. You have charge, auto, and this is a nice handy remote that will let you play with the direction of the Debot. Like, you can control where it goes.
If you select auto and then try and use the buttons, that's how you can get it to keep going in a direction and just guide it using the buttons.
Play, pause. You also have Debot, timer, single spots.
Kind of get a good idea there based on what you see on the carpet, what spot cleaning does. Just kind of picks a center spot and just slowly pulls out and makes the circle bigger.
Small room, Wi-Fi, and edge.
Edge. And all it'll do there is just keep tapping across the edge as it finds it. And that's a cattail. So there, once it reaches the end, it'll bounce and try and find the edge. And there you can see, no problem transitioning from the linoleum to the carpet.
Now, this is only one way that you can do it.